Okay, so to get any seamless texture, what you want to do is go to poly.cam/material generator. And, so say you need something like, you need a grass texture, right? Actually, it's probably a horrible example because it's going to give a 2D picture, front face of the grass, but it's still going to be seamless regardless. It might end up looking like the right grass texture we want, but this can generate anything. This is probably the worst example I could have done, now I'm thinking about it, but it will generate it, right? So, let's see, you got all that. It's completely seamless, by the way. Oh, here we go. That's what we want. We want something like this. Okay. Sometimes this will error, by the way, and it'll be pitch black. Doesn't matter. You can just regenerate as many times as you like. But after you get texture you like, click on it, click download, and then you can just drag and drop right here, like I did. Extract all, extract, and then you can take it over to Studio. Geo service, insert object, geo variant. So we're gonna call this grass. Give it. There we go. I kept pressing G, by the way, to get that through to the grass material. But you can choose file, desktop, the texture 8, then albedo is color map. So you want to create a color map for it. Let me go ahead and get this grass. Alright, so now what you want to do is go back. You can go to normal, place normals on normal, and then for the roughness map, you can obviously put on the roughness. But say you're struggling and you have a metal texture, you can take the roughness and you can just brightness contrast, keep it where it doesn't make all of it solid white or makes any of it solid gray or solid black, whatever it would be. Try to find a good balance that keeps it very light at the same time. Okay, save, and then you can go right here and just type in metal for metal map. You can go back, add a metalness map for it, metal, create, but grass doesn't need a metal map. But this is completely seamless, and you can quite literally generate anything. Play race.